Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this small Farmhouse Boho cage ceiling fan with lights that I got sent out for review, and it requires 4 bulb lights, and I will suggest that you install them before you install the ceiling fan, and then you can start with everything else. So first things first, so let's start by installing this plate or base that it will be installing to the ceiling, and it includes this hook, which is amazing because it makes the process of installation easier. And the remote receiver is already installed, so you don't have to do anything there, and you will be just pairing the black with the black and the neutral with the neutral as well, and just make sure that you protect the cables from being exposed. And now just hook this fan to this base like so, and then you will be securing them with some screws. Just make sure that you do it so it is not loose. Okay, once that you have done this, it is ready for you to start using it. Now let's turn it on. Okay, now we have turned on the lights, and as you can see, it makes a really nice shape in the ceiling if it was a star, and this is great. I love how it looks in this bedroom, which has a kind of natural style. It goes really well with this bedroom. Now let's turn the fan on to test it. It has 6 speeds. Now let's just turn it on the third. It is a very good fan. You can feel it very well. Now, if you want to turn it off, you just press the center button within the 6 speeds. And also it has a timer for 1, 2, and 4 hours. Also, you can change the direction of the fan and forward and reverse. And this is the middle button, which you will be using for turn it on or turn off the fan. It is really nice. It looks really cool, and the fan is amazing. So just remember, please install the light bulbs before you install the ceiling gauge, because it will be easier for you.